Welcome to Candid Cures, Holistic Health Coaching. We are healthcare practitioners turned health coaches. Our private practice clients have asked us to start this channel. I do my best to research for the most accurate data, and I practice what I preach. I've turned my life around by using the techniques I'll be describing. This video will teach natural methods to lower blood pressure by lifestyle, herbal supplements, natural diuretics, appetite suppressants, transcranial direct current stimulation, subliminal affirmations, binaural beats, and Qigong. Hypertension is called the silent killer. Left untreated, it leads to heart attacks, strokes, pulmonary emboli, etc. I've had patients wake up in the hospital that didn't have a clue they had high blood pressure. High blood pressure damages your eyes and kidneys, as does diabetes. After renal failure, a life of dialysis is no picnic. That's 12 hours of treatment per week tied to a blood filtering machine. Add to that 3 hours of pre- and post-assessment time, plus travel. Protect your kidneys by regulating your blood pressure. Check your blood pressure regularly, especially if you're a marijuana user. Even young people can have strokes. I've met them. I don't recommend the wrist type of BP cuff, nor does the American Heart Association. The upper arm cuffs are the standard. Holistic health. I'm not a fan of Western healthcare, from having worked in it for about 4 decades, to conclude its purpose is merely for profit, and the public is treated like cattle. Pharmaceutical reps are intentionally very attractive, slick women that persuade MDs to promote their products. People are programmed by big pharma commercials to believe popping a pill will make the problem go away. All medication has side effects, especially blood pressure medication. My own mother went through painful vascular surgeries to her lower extremities to keep her blackened toes from being amputated. The new blood vessels only lasted 5 years because she was continued on beta blockers by her primary care doctor, who she was wrong to trust. I've seen diabetic patients develop foot wounds that deep into the bone, leading to amputations because of beta blockers. Beta blockers reduce circulation to the extremities, hands and feet. Depression, confusion, and impotence are among other side effects. Natural remedies are best. Dietary approaches to stop hypertension. In moderation, a diet full of fresh, washed fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein will help keep your heart healthy and weight normal. Include omega fatty acid sources such as eggs, flaxseed, walnut oil, or a fish oil supplement. Essential fatty acids 3 and 6 have to come from diet. Per the NIH, many studies suggest that diets rich in omega-3 fatty acids lower BP significantly in people with hypertension. Leafy greens and beets are high in nitrates that your body converts to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, lowering blood pressure. Parsley, basil, thyme, cinnamon, celery seed, and ginger reduce blood pressure. Ginger at a 100 milligram per kilogram dose reduced systolic blood pressure by up to 9 points and diastolic pressure by about 3 points within 2 hours. Eliminate salt, added sugar, and get processed foods out of your life. Drink plenty of clean water. Elders have a diminished sense of thirst, are often dehydrated but don't recognize the signs. They should make a conscious effort to drink more water. I used to buy the zero water filters but reverted back to a water distiller. My hard tap water here in the Southwest smells like chlorine and tastes like sulfur. The zero filter clogged within a week here, which made it too costly, and I'm trying to avoid plastic waste. I'm happy now with the H2O Labs 300 SS countertop distiller that makes a gallon of pure distilled water in its glass carafe in about 5 hours. It's very well made, and this company provides good ongoing customer support should it need future repair. No one should drink straight tap water. Lead pipes are still in use. We obtain minerals from vegetables. Potassium, magnesium, and calcium are needed for blood pressure management. Due to soil depletion and an increase in environmental contaminants like carcinogenic PCBs and phthalates that cause hormone imbalances, I recommend Liquid Health Complete Multiple to all my clients and take it myself. The liquid is more easily absorbed with the most impressive list of ingredients I have found to date. Phthalates leach from soft plastics into the food or liquid they contain. Liquid Health Complete Multiple is insurance that your body is getting what it needs for health. Invest in your health. Take control of your health. Herbal supplements. Taurine has several potentially beneficial cardiovascular effects that involve regulation of the nitric oxide system and endothelial function, resulting in vasodilation. Studies published by the American Heart Association revealed that chronic supplementation by the sulfur-containing amino acid taurine reduced systolic blood pressure by greater than 10 points. See links in the description for further reading. 2. Taurine relaxes blood vessels by enhancing endorphin production. Research has shown that L-arginine lowered blood pressure, improved cholesterol, and improved overall blood vessel health, as explained on www.mayoclinic.org. It's converted to nitric oxide, the substance known to relax blood vessels. Magnesium glycinate. I take 420 milligrams daily. This form of magnesium doesn't stimulate the bowels, but lowers blood pressure as all magnesium. Beetroot extract. Beets contain naturally high levels of nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide. This compound relaxes and dilates blood vessels, lowering blood pressure. Coenzyme Q10 has the potential in hypertensive patients to lower systolic blood pressure by up to 17 points and diastolic pressure by up to 10 points. Recommended dosage is at least 200 milligrams daily. Celery seed extract is proven to reduce blood pressure. Per NIH studies, Bacopa monnieri lowers blood pressure and improves mood. Garlic extract lowers blood pressure with many other health benefits. Garlic reduces systolic blood pressure by about 7 to 9 points and diastolic blood pressure by about 4 to 6 points in people with high blood pressure per WebMD and NIH studies. Hypothyroidism causes hypertension. If you suspect hypothyroidism, please view my prior video, End Depression Now, to remedy thyroid issues. Natural diuretics. Natural diuretics to reduce blood pressure are asparagus extract, dandelion extract, parsley extract, and horsetail extract by removing excess fluid. Horsetail, like synthetic diuretics, can deplete potassium. If potassium is out of its narrow normal range, a deadly heart rhythm may result. Supplement with good potassium sources, i.e. coconut water, if choosing horsetail or asparagus extract. Appetite suppressants for weight management are saffron, Garcinia cambogia extract, and Hoodia extract. Supplements to reduce stress are ashwagandha root extract and L-glutamine powder. All of these supplements are available, except saffron, from Bulk Supplements, a reputable company with quality products and reasonable prices. There's a 5% off link in the description. Because I take many bulk supplements, I mix the powders with minced blueberries, yogurt, and honey that I freeze and eat like ice cream. Or the powders can be encapsulated. I have a link to a 000 size capsule filler kit for 100 capsules in the description for your convenience. The 000 size is the easiest to work with. Stress reduction. Stress hormones cause hypertension and narrow your focus. Step back from the rat race, noise pollution, politics, social media, and turn off your phone when possible for mental health. Being mindful is absorbing the present and appreciating existence. Methods to reset include transcranial direct current stimulation, subliminal affirmations, binaural beats, and Qigong. Transcranial direct current stimulation, or TDCS, has many uses. The Army uses TDCS to improve performance and for DARPA accelerated learning. I've used it for anxiety using the F3 positive to FP2 negative montage with great effect. It really calmed my mind, and occasionally now for other purposes. Reddit has a TDCS group. The website apexdevice.net lists all the different montages, such as reducing food cravings, quitting smoking, increasing creativity, increasing fine motor skills, mathematical thinking, insight, pain, memorization, etc. When researching TDCS devices for purchase, I chose the Apex Type A 18-volt transcranial direct current stimulator and wasn't disappointed. You do need two high-end 9-volt batteries. I now use ordinary rectangular kitchen sponges cut in half for the electrosquares or sponge holders. The sponges get thinner from the current. I don't recommend making saline. If it's faulty, you could be burned. Purchase 0.9% NS, normal saline, to wet the sponges. I don't recommend going higher than 2 milliamps in voltage, nor does the NIH. Slowly titrate up to 2 milliamps over 5 minutes. Hold at 2 milliamps for 20 minutes, then titrate down to 0 over 5 minutes. Daily sessions are safe. Rinse out the normal saline and air dry for the next session. Please see links in the description for a discount through Capitron. Subliminal affirmations and binaural beats. influence your conscious mind through your higher mind, the subconscious. Your subconscious limits what enters the conscious mind because the stimuli would be too overwhelming to function. Subliminal messaging works. It's been scientifically proven. It can be visual or audio, seen or heard beneath the conscious threshold. Advertisers have been using it for decades to greatly increase sales. Even stores use subliminal messaging to decrease theft. I use subliminal messaging by affirmations or positive statements to improve my perception. There are many ways to improve your life using subliminal affirmations, from relieving depression, improving self-esteem, breaking addictions, improving school or sports performance, etc. Examples of positive statements or affirmations are: I enjoy exercise for better health. I will lose 20 pounds. I focus on action to create the life I want. I eat only healthy food because I love myself. MindZoom is a subliminal affirmation software. See the link below in the description. MindZoom is used on Windows or Mac operating system to embed subliminal affirmations chosen by you or preset by your category choice into your favorite music, binaural beats, or both. Using the subliminal affirmations with binaural beats makes them more effective. It's best to record your affirmations in your own voice. Your subconscious prefers your voice. I get amazing, immediate, and lasting results listening to binaural beat blends. The binaural beat, discovered in the 1800s, is an auditory illusion from listening to two different frequencies, one in each ear, using headphones or earbuds. You perceive only the difference in the frequencies as one oscillating sound that has been seen to change your brainwave frequencies on EEGs. Brainwaves are created from the pulses of electrical activity our neurons exhibit as they communicate with each other. The changes in brainwave frequencies were associated with changes in mood, focus, relaxation, etc., according to NIH studies, and varied according to the binaural beat frequency or hertz used. There are 5 categories of brainwaves on EEGs: delta, theta, alpha, beta, and gamma. Each brainwave hertz measurement is associated with a different kind of thinking or activity. Delta, the lowest, seen in deep restorative sleep, is 0.5 to 4 hertz. In theta, 4 to 8 hertz, the mind is very relaxed and inwardly focused. In alpha, 8 to 12 hertz, the brain is relaxed with passive attention. In beta, 12 to 35 hertz, the mind is active in external attention. In the gamma brainwave phase of greater than 35 hertz, the mind is concentrating or at its highest level of processing. You select the binaural beats at a preferred hertz rate for your brain to go to that brainwave state. If you seek greater focus, choose a binaural beat greater than 20 hertz. If you seek deep sleep to heal, choose a binaural beat less than 4 hertz. Experiment to find what's best for you. Binaural beats reduce blood pressure and slow breathing. Studies have shown that binaural beats affect levels of serotonin and dopamine, a hormone that plays a broad role for motivation and creativity and general well-being, as well as reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, according to Psychology Today and elsewhere. I found no harmful effects when researching the use of binaural beats. Magnetic Minds is a music producer that has taken binaural beats a step further, enhancing the effect with added frequencies, then added those to therapeutic music. It's not to be listened to as music per se, but for its beneficial mental effect. It's effective and especially useful for attention deficit. I use MindZoom for its subliminal affirmations with binaural beat music and see it has improved my overall mental outlook, intuition, all mental faculties, and leaves me with a feeling of serenity and heightened awareness. The science behind these benefits can be simply explained in a graduate thesis by Sonia Joseph titled Sound Healing Using Solfeggio Frequencies, found on ResearchGate.net. The science basically is that all is energy. We are vibrating atoms that can be measured by hertz. Even the visionary genius Nikola Tesla quoted about the secrets of the universe were to be found in energy, frequency, and vibration. The MindZoom software brings harmony and healing this way. I highly recommend it. Benefits of exercise. Weight gain increases blood pressure and it's hard on your joints. It's the obese that end up needing knee replacements. Regular exercise lowers blood pressure up to 9 points by strengthening the heart after 1 to 3 months according to the Mayo Clinic, though needs to be continued. A routine of aerobic exercise burns calories and increases your basal metabolic rate. Exercise slows the aging process, improves balance and coordination, improves cholesterol levels, improves self-image, improves sleep quality, reduces cancer risk, boosts the immune system, prevents bone loss, reduces anxiety, and alleviates depression. My favorites are swimming, my treadmill, slant board, and rowing machine, but to each his own. Group hikes are available through meetup.com for those that prefer social exercise. Lastly, Qigong reduces blood pressure with many other health benefits. It's not as rigorous as yoga and has more benefits. Practicing mindfulness with paced breathing is fundamental to Qigong. Paced breathing stimulates the vagus nerve and parasympathetic nervous system, which reduce stress chemicals in the brain and increase vascular relaxation that leads to reduced blood pressure and stress, according to Qigong Institute founder Dr. Ken Sancier. Qigong is endorsed by Harvard Medical School, the American College of Sports Medicine, and the NIH holds documented positive study research. In the description below is a link to a home study Qigong course by a certified Qigong master, Marcus James Santer. It's a Qigong routine that will improve your health and emotional well-being. Many attribute their good health and longevity to Qigong. It's from Tao, meaning the way or path. Taoist philosophy, dating back to the 6th century BC, is from the study of nature. Tao expresses the path human beings must take is to unite with the universe. Taoist philosophers determined that everything has its complementary opposite. More than this, they saw that everything can only be understood by comparing it to its opposite, yin-yang. All things, then, are interdependent. What we are to do in our lives is simply be, nothing more. The concept of qi, the energy that feng shui strives to balance, can be traced to Taoism. The Taoist belief asserts that human language is incapable of explaining our existence in the world. Qi is a power beyond the physical material world. Traditional Chinese medicine, still in use today, is based on qi. Energy flows along meridians between chakras. If blocked, problems occur. Feng shui refers to the flow of qi. Feng shui is used to correct the flow of energy to bring harmony in the home for wealth and well-being. Feng shui users see sacred purposes and mystical meanings behind design, not just superficial pretty surroundings. They view the world in terms of cosmic energy. There is a link below in the description for a chakra activation program or chakra healing book if interested. Thank you.